How to find all Wi-Fi password in Windows. Okay, at first, click to open any web browser that is on your computer. Here, type in this link. Hit Enter to search. Under Password Recovery Utilities, click on Wireless Key View, Recover Lost Wireless Network Key Stored on Windows option. Move down. Now click on Download Wireless Key View for 64-bit. Copy the password for extracting the file. Click to open this file. Enter the password and click on OK. Now, click to open Wireless Key View. Here, click on More Info. Now click on Run Anyway. Click on Yes to continue. Here, you will find all Wi-Fi and their password. So that's the easiest way to find all Wi-Fi password on Windows. If you found it helpful, please subscribe, like, and even leave a comment. See you next time.